Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to discuss about detailed information about COMEDK counseling. We know that COMEDK counseling, according to COMEDK website, they are telling that second week of October it will start. So, detailed explanation I am going to give it to you in Kannada and English both. So, this video may be longer than as usual. So, you have to see it till the end because it's very important, and this is also important for those who are attempting CET counseling also and NEET counseling also, because almost all the steps will be remains same. Yes. So first we'll start with, see whether you are first, you know that already you have uploaded the documents, and whether your documents are accepted or rejected is updated through mail to you. Already it is updated or before 8th, which means before today or tomorrow it will be updated in your mail. Maybe it will take up to 10th of August also, 10th of October also, because according to them second week of October the counseling will start. So 10th of October also, before that it will updated. Already most of you have got the mail that your documents are verified and it is well and good. Then remember engineering and architecture seat metrics. So many students are asking me, so how many seats are present in which all the colleges, how you will come to know, and what will be the fee structure, everything. So for all those questions the answer will be given by COMEDK very soon. So they only give how many seats are present, what will be the fee structure, everything in detail. Then choice filling is available from second week of October according to COMEDK website notification. Second week of October your choice filling will start, which means already today it is 8th. Definitely tomorrow or day after tomorrow they can open a window for choice filling. So remember BR counseling application. So BR counseling application, that is Bachelor of Architecture counseling application form will be available, made available in COMEDK website from 9th of October, which means from tomorrow they are telling. So you can cross check with the COMEDK website. So for this BR counseling application form. Now we'll start with how many rounds of counseling will be there in COMEDK. Basic ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, just give your concentration and see that. How many rounds of counseling will be there? So remember there will be 3 rounds of counseling in COMEDK. Maybe same rounds of counseling also in the CET, don't know. They have to give the notification, but in COMEDK already they have told there will be 3 rounds of counseling. Candidates who register for counseling and complete document verification will only be eligible to participate in counseling. Already those who are document is verified, then only you can eligible to participate in the COMEDK counseling. Then eligibility to participate in round 2, remember, and 3 will depend on decision made on the allotment during round 1 and round 2. That I will tell you in the subsequent slides. So eligibility to participate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಏನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ round 1 decision is round 2 depending on the round 1 decision, round 3 depending on the round 2 decision. There will be an exclusive round, very important point for the supplementary students, listen that there will be an exclusive round of counseling for the candidates who are already written supplementary exam and waiting for the results. And remember, for them there will be counseling for leftover seats, very important, which means if the seats are left over, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತರಕಾರಿ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗಿನಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತಹ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, you will get the seat. You may ask me, sir, if there is no seats available, then it is your luck, my dear student, because you have written the supplementary exam, you are waiting for the second PUC result, which means it is just like a punishment for you. You have not prepared well for your main exam. This is a punishment. Hence, if any students are seeing those who are writing the main exam next year, please sit and study for the board exam. Please go through the board exam pattern, everything, remember that. So leftover seats counseling will be there for supplementary exam students. Then this is the counseling overview. Overview it is. See, already you have done with this part. Already you have paid 5,000. Uploaded document, already you have done with this part. If documents are verified successfully, you are eligible to participate in round 1. Already this is explained, or this information given by the COMEDK to the particular candidates to participate in the round 1, whether your documents are correct or not, whether your documents are verified correctly, successfully or not. So this is also done for most of the students. The next part will be, remember, choice filling, which means you will choose the colleges preference wise, you will fill the choice. Then there will be mock allotment. What is this mock allotment? Everything I will tell you in the subsequent slides. Mock allotment will be there. After mock allotment, you can change that. You can change your choice if required after the mock allotment. Then they will result of first round, they will announce result 1 allotment result, round 1 allotment result. Then make a decision in the round 1 allotment result, which means whether you will select that college, whether you will reject that college, depending on these rounds I will tell you in the next slide. So this decision you have to take. Then the last point is participate in the round 2 and the round 3 depending on the decision made during allotment of round 1 and round 2 respectively. Very simple, my dear students. Remember, counseling overview it is. Already you have paid 5,000 rupees, right? So already you have uploaded the documents, and some of you already got verification slip also. Then choice filling will be there. Then mock allotment. Then you can change if you want in the mock allotment, round 1 allotment, then decision you have to take. Depending on this decision, round 2 and round 3 decision will be, round 3 will be taken place. Remember, this is the counseling overview. Then what all the options will be there? Very, very important for the students of CET also. Remember, they may change this wordings. The meaning of these options will be remains same for them also. Remember that. Hence, be careful. Carefully listen whatever I will tell now. Yes. Now you can say first option available is accept and freeze. Just imagine you will allotted with the one particular seat. You are satisfied with the seat. Just imagine you are satisfied with the seat and you don't want to participate in the further rounds. For them, there will be option called accept and freeze. Remember, you are satisfied with the seat and do not wish to participate in further round. Then what you have to do? See, eligible to participate in next round? No, because already you told that you are satisfied with the college. Then what you have to do is, you can report to the college after downloading your online allotment letter and fee payment of receipt of 55,000. So 55,000 tuition fee we will call it as, which means part of the tuition fee it is 50,000 already, 50,000 to be paid. Already 5,000 you have paid for the counseling this procedure. That 5 plus this 50, total 55,000 fee payment receipt you will get. That fee payment receipt and allotment letter, along with this you will go to particular college which you are satisfied with and you will take your admission. For you, those who have selected accept and freeze button, your admission is completed in COMEDK. Understood? Next we'll go to the second option. Second option is, you can see, accept and upgrade. When you have to opt for this option, I will tell you very simple language. Remember, you are satisfied with the seat. Just imagine you are satisfied with the seat, but wish to participate in the next round. Wish to participate in the next round. You can ask me, sir, why this is required then? Already I have satisfied with the seat. Now just imagine, I will tell you. Your first preference, second preference, third preference I will take. First preference is CS in RV college. Your first preference is CS in RV college. Just imagine. Second preference you have given, simply I will tell you, CS in PS college. Third option you will give CS in BVB, that is Hubli, right? So just like this it is there. Now what happens, according to your rank, they have allot here CS in PES. All three colleges are good. Computer science is very good. So definitely you are satisfied with PES. Remember, you are satisfied with PES. But you will have one small intention in your mind. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಏನದು, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ CS ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್, ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡೋಣಂತ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? Computer science in PES is fixed for you, no doubt in it. There is no doubt. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟು 1 CS in RV. Which means if you don't get any seats in CS in RV college, then remember, don't worry, already you have accepted this particular seat. Your seat CS in PES is fixed, no doubt in it. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ CS ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ PES ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ ವಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಒಂದನ್ನು accept ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ CS in RV college, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ accepted. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದ್ದ, ಅವನು CS in PES ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವನಿಗೆ RV ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಟನನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ CS in PES, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್, ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, PES ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ. ಸಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ CS in PES, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ CS in RV. So that if you get CS in RV in the second round, automatically this will be removed. See, your intention was also same, no? You want PES, but better than this RV college, if you get the seat, then you want to go to RV college. Hence, remember, this second seat will be cancelled automatically. Or if higher option seats are not allotted, then the earlier allotted seat shall remains in the candidate's favor. So if you don't get CS in RV in the second round, then definitely third, whatever the first round option is there, CS in PES will be with you only. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, accept and upgrade, you have got the seat, then participate in the next round. Yes, second round, then tuition fee ಅಂತೂ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫೀ ಪೇಡ್, ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬಟನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೀವು 55,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 5,000 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 ಯು ಪೇಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 50,000 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್. You just imagine this was your preference, So somewhere you got fourth one, somewhere CS in XYZ college, and you don't want to do CS in XYZ college. Then what you will do? You will select the option that reject and upgrade. You will reject the first round result, and you feel that you are not satisfied with the result. You are not satisfied with the allotted seat and you are rejecting the allotted seat, but wish to participate in the next round. Hence, you are eligible to participate. Yes, remember 50,000 you have to pay? No, because you are not accepted any seat. Hence, you are not necessary to pay 50,000 in the first round. Then reject and withdraw, fourth option. Definitely you feel that you are not satisfied with the allotted seat. You don't want to wish to participate in the further round. So fourth option, reject and withdraw. That is, you cannot no to your next participation and no to 50,000 pay. Very simple, very, very important. I hope you have understood this part. First option, accept and freeze, you are satisfied. Accept and upgrade, you are satisfied, but you want to participate in the next round. Reject and upgrade, you are not satisfied and you want to participate in the next round. Reject and withdraw, you don't want to participate and you are not satisfied with the given seat. Yes. Next we'll move to round 1. How this round 1 counseling will be there, I will tell you that. In case of the round 1 counseling, remember your counseling will start now. Mock allotment is over, everything is over. In round 1, eligible only if document verification is successful and approved. We know that already. Then remember, choice filling will be available only for applicants whose document verification is accepted. Then you have to fill all colleges, courses, preferences, everything in the choice filling form. In round 1, what you have to do? You have to fill your college choice and preference, everything in the choice filling form. Next, eligible only if document verification is successfully approved. Remember, everything you will do. Then also it is possible only for your document if it is successfully approved. That already we know that. Check saved preferences by checking points, checking print preview option on screen, save document for future reference. Very, very important. Remember, in this particular case, whatever the choice filling is done, that choice filling you can see the print preview. You can see the print preview. You can take the printout also, whatever the choices you have filled with the preference 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You can save that document for future reference. Next part is check mock allotment result. Mock allotment result will be there. You can check that. If you want to change anything in the mock allotment result, make a changes in the choice filling. If it is required in the after mock allotment result, then there will be real allotment result. So this will be there after if you want to change anything. So you will have to attend this particular check round 1 allotment result. After round 1 allotment result, make decision. Make decision already I told, whether accept and freeze or accept and upgrade or reject and upgrade. So reject and upgrade, or you can say reject the whole round and you go out of the counseling. That is also possible. So these decision you have to take after round 1 allotment result. Then remember, finally, candidates who selected a seat in the round 1 will have option to surrender or cancel seat during surrender period of the round 1. This is very, very important point. Otherwise, you have to get some penalty from the particular institution or the COMEDK officials. Remember that. So now what happens? You have allotted with the seat. You have to take one or the other decision. At least you have to tell that I don't want any seats, I will go out of the counseling. Without telling anything, remember, it is not a game. ಆಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಸೀಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ವಿದಿನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ COMEDK. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮೆಡ್ಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ 1. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ 1 ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್ the document is successfully approved or verified. Choice filling take place. You can fill any of the number of colleges, any number. Check saved preferences and see the pinned preview and take the printout also, and or save the documents for future reference. Next, mock allotment. Next, if there is any change if you want to do, you can check round 1 result, then make a decision, then either cancel the seat or surrender the seat or go and take the admission in that particular college where the seat is allotted. This is round 1. Then round 2. Round 2 will be there for whom? It is eligible only if you are allotted seat and selected accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade during round 1. Very, very important. Remember, if you are already accept and freeze, you cannot participate in the round 2. You will go to a particular college and take the admission. This is eligible only when if you are allotted seat and you are selected accept or upgrade or reject and upgrade during round 1, participated in round 1 but was not allotted any seat. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲಾಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೀಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ you can participate in the round 2 easily. Then remember, make changes in the choice filling form if required. So you can make changes in the choice filling form. Remember, you can change the preference order, you can change the college preference, serial number, everything. But very, very important in this step, remember, you cannot add any new colleges, which means remember in the round 1 you have before the round 1 you have filled the choice filling round. In that choice filling round you have filled all the possible colleges. You want to make any change in that college list in the round 2, it is not possible. That is the rule. Check the rules which is there. I will tell you the rules in the later section. So remember, make the changes in the form filling, choice filling. Then remember, check round 2 allotment result. Round 2 allotment result will be there. You check that. After that, remember, make a decision whether you want to go for accept and upgrade or reject and upgrade. Right? So, or accept and freeze. Depending on those, you can take the decision. So, choices available will be based on the decision in the round 1. It is based on, already I have told that. Then remember, candidates who selected a seat in round 2, once again, candidates who are selected the seat or allotted the seat in round 2 will have option to surrender or cancel the seat during surrender period of round 2. You have to surrender or cancel, or you have to take the admission. That is very, very important. That is about round 2. Then in round 3, what happens is, eligible only if you are allotted seat and selected accept and upgrade, once again same rule, reject and upgrade, or you can say participated in round 2 but was not allotted any seats in round 2. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಸೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೌಂಡ್ 2, remember, for them this round is not required because already you will go to particular college and take the admission at all, right? So then remember, make changes in the choice filling. Once again same rule, you cannot add any new colleges. You can make a preference wise serial number, you can change, so your choice you can change, not adding other college. Very, very important, you cannot add any other college. Very, very important is in round 3, phase 1 allotment will be there for HK and HKR and Tulu seats. Remember, we know that in case of the ComEdK, we have only 3 castes. One is GM, another one is HKR, another one is Tulu medium, right? Tulu, that is linguistic Tulu colleges, right? So phase 1, in round 3 there are 2 phases. Round 3 there are 2 phases. In phase 1, we will allot the seat for HKR and Tulu seats. Remember, after this, see, for if you are GM, if you are GM, this phase is not applicable for you. It is not applicable for you. Don't worry about that. It is applicable only for allotment for HK and Tulu reason. You can ask, sir, this is not there in the previous part. Remember, in previous part also, they will always give the allotment according to these three only. First preference GM, second preference HKR, third preference Tulu. Remember that. That I will tell you in the detail in the next video. Check round 3 phase 1 allotment result. In case you are HKR Tulu candidate, it is not for GM, remember that. Then make decision on allotment. Check rules for the decision and allotment, that already I have told. Make decision on the allotment, whether you want the seat or you don't want the seat. Yes. Then what happens? Phase 2 allotment will take place for general merit seats. Why they have done is phase 1 is that, just imagine there are 100 seats of this part, HKR and Tulu. Just imagine out of 100 here, only 80 seats are filled. Remaining 20, what happens? Immediately that will convert it into GM. Out of 100, HKR and Tulu, already we have filled 80 seats here. Some 20 seats, no, it is not at all taken by any of the students. Then that 20 immediately considered as general merit, and general merit students will have an advantage. So, andre illu kuda nimiga anyaya agodilla, illu kuda nimiga anyaya agodilla. Yes. Now, phase 2 allotment will be there. After this phase 2 allotment, remember, check round 3 phase 2 allotment results. In case you are not holding HKR and Tulu seat, make a decision on the allotment. So, HKR Tulu already you have taken the decision. If you are not HKR and Tulu, take the decision here. General merit seats are allotted, HKR and Tulu seat, make a decision on allotment. Check rules for decision and allotment. That rules I will tell you later. So this is the final part of the round 3 and COMEDK counseling. So like this, remember, round 1, round 2, round 3 will be there. Here also you will have another option is that you don't want any seats. If you are allotted the seat, but you can opt that you don't want any seat. That option is with you in every round. If you want to select the seat, you can select. If you want to reject the seat, you can reject. There is no problem at all. If you have already paid the fee 50,000 also, you are going to get that back. If you reject the seat within that surrender period, remember that point. Then see, clearly ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ 2 and ರೌಂಡ್ 3. ರೌಂಡ್ 1 ನೋಡಿ, 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೌಂಡ್ 2ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್, ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಹು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Those who have selected this, you can do once again accept and freeze for the round 2 seats, accept and upgrade. Those who have reject and upgrade, you can have all 3 options: accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, reject and withdraw. If you withdraw from the first round itself, then this is not applicable. Right. Round 2 nodi. In decision in the round 2, accept and freeze. Then in round 3, for those students, no option available. See, for those students, remember, no option available here, because it is common. If you have accepted the round 2 seat, means you will go and take the admission. If you selected accept and upgrade, then you have an option that accept and freeze. There is no option that reject, because already you have accepted the seat. You cannot reject here, right? If you have rejected and upgrade, then you will have all the options. Reject and upgrade only in case of phase 1. I told you already, phase 1 round 3 you have a option that reject and upgrade if you are a HKR and Tulu candidate. Accept and freeze or reject and withdraw for all other candidates after phase 1. Phase 2 it is available. If you have reject and withdraw in the round 2, then remember, it is not applicable. You cannot participate in the third round. So clearly you take the snapshot of this, and this PDF is available in the COMEDK website, so you can visit the website and download and you can read. Then choice filling and choice locking rules. What will be these choice filling and choice locking rules? Very important point. So during choice filling period of the first round, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ದೇರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಅವರೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿದಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ any number of times. Very very important, only saved preference will be considered. Remember, you have to save those preferences, only that will be considered at the end. There is no limit, very very important. Someone was asking how many colleges I can select. There is no limit and there is no maximum number. Maximum, whatever the number you want, those many preferences can be entered depending on the seat matrix in the COMEDK website. Then please enter all preferences that you would like to opt for. Since option to add additional preference, very important to see this, add additional preferences will not be available in the subsequent rounds, remember. Hence ನೀವು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಒಂದು 100 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 100 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್. Only this 100 college will continue in round 2 also and in round 3 also. You cannot add some another colleges here in the round 2 and round 3. Very very important point. Hence remember, here you have to make maximum number of preferences. 100,000s of preferences also you can make. Only in that you can change in the subsequent round. Remember that. In case of the round 2, what happens is only saved preference will be considered. Only saved preferences will be there. Only candidates who completed choice filling in the first round can do here. All candidates who choose accept and upgrade, very very important, listen, all candidates who choose accept and upgrade or reject and upgrade in round 1 will have option to delete or reorder the preferences which are above preference number order that was allotted during round 1. You have an option that you can change your preference order, right? When in the round 2, for only for them, those students accept and upgrade or reject and upgrade you have selected, right? So remember, you can change whatever it is, you can add or delete, you can delete or reorder only which you have filled in the first round. Hence filling in the first round is very very important. As I told, 100 colleges ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ 100 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. You cannot add any new colleges here. For example, preference number 3 in the round 1, you can reorder it as 1 or 2 in the round 2. Facility to add preferences during second round will not be available. Remember, if any candidates clicks on remove and delete in existing preference, by mistake if you click on remove, definitely you have to remember this point, you don't have any other option to add it back to the preference list. Hence you have to be very careful. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ರಿಮೂವ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, for all candidates who are not allotted in the seat round 1 due to no options filled maybe, or due to non-availability of the seats, due to his or her rank as per choice filling entered by him or her, facility will be there for add or reorder or remove preferences. Only for those students, those who have not got any seats due to non-availability of the seats, or you can say rank was not proper, or you can say no options filled in the choice filling form, then you can enter, add, reorder or remove preferences in the round 2. But generally you will participating in the counseling from the round 1 itself, so there is no problem at all. In round 3, remember, only saved preference will be considered. Once again same, all candidates who choose accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade, you can change your order or delete the order. Facility to add preferences during third round will not be available. If any candidates clicks on remove or deletes, so an existing preference, the same cannot be added back to the preference list again. And for all candidates who are not allotted seat in the round 2 due to non-availability of the seat, as per the choices entered by him or her, facility to add or reorder or remove the preference will be there for them. ನಿಮಗೇನು ಸೀಟೇ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್. Now, very important point it is for CET, NEET and these ComEd students. Preparatory work at home before choice filling. What you have to do? See, first what you have to do is, candidates are advised to do enough preparatory work at home before starting the choice filling process. Some of the guiding factor is like this. Remember, some of the guiding factor, your choice of stream and college and preference order. Very important, you have to make a list of stream, college and preference. Second one, cutoff ranks for earlier year, you have to check if it is available. Whether you come under any category, you have to see that. Whatever the category you have, in that category, how many seats are there, everything, seat matrix will be given in the website. You have to go through all those things. Then research on choice filling, college, its faculty, results of the previous year, infrastructure, placement, availability of good hostel or not, everything. Remember, visit that AICTE and college website for details on the colleges, etc. Very, very important point. You have to make a choice filling depending on this research only. Fifth one, read through the process document. Through this process documents. Process documents available in the ComEd K. Download that and read thoroughly those notification, instructions, everything in this website you can download carefully for criteria followed by the computer on allotment of seats. Remember, discuss with the parents. Definitely you have to discuss with your parent, family member before finalizing your option or choice. Because you have to discuss all these things. Once again I will tell you, idu nimma jeevanada prashne hauda. So is a life matters. Hence you have to take the decision by discussing this with your parents, family members, everyone. Please note that any minor error, remember, very, very important point. Please note that any minor error entering college or course in a choice filling form can result in loss of seat that you may be interested in or deserve. Remember, ನಿಮ್ಮ rank best ಚಲೋ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ rank ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಚಲೋ college ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು, but you made small minor error while filling choice in the college, in the counseling, you may lost that particular seat. Hence, candidates are advised to recheck the saved preferences after completion of the choice filling. So, ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ choice fill ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೀವ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ 100% concentration and see that particular form, choice filling form and saved preferences. Because once you selected this or once you made that decision on the preferences of the colleges or when you choose the college, it is final. Remember that. Hence, once again, see any minor change you may lose the seat. Hence, you have to be very, very careful in this particular case. So, these are the things in the part 1. This is, remember, this is part 1 in case of counseling of ComEd K. In the next part, I will tell you what all the other rules are there, what all the other rules you can follow to get better seat in the best college. So wait for that, and if you are not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe and support. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.